Hello and welcome to LEGO MOC Masterpieces. We've all heard the expression when life imitates art. But what happens when art imitates art? That is what we have in this design by Joe Lamb. He has taken the famous Last Supper by Da Vinci and rendered it in LEGO. He's done a wonderful job of capturing the shapes and mood of the original piece. Looking around, we can see the very distinctive study in perspective with the wall panels and shaping of the walls, drawing our eyes to the middle of the piece. He's done a great job of conveying the essence of the original artwork, paying focus to the main details. As far as the colors go, he has matched the colors of the panels and the ceiling trim with the picture frame, bringing the whole piece together. In the original fresco, there isn't much left for details in the panels, but you can clearly make out splotches of gray and dark red. So Joe has been able to mimic that by using the overlapping gray and dark red plates. In the original fresco, you can see through the back windows a pastoral scene which Joe has done as well. He's also added the distinctive arch above the window that appears very faintly in the fresco. Now if we concentrate on the front of the picture where all the action is happening, a very subtle thing I noticed is that the tablecloth is quite blocky in the original piece, and Joe has been able to replicate that using bricks and tiles. Of course, the main subjects of the scene are Jesus and the apostles, with the grand conversation going on between everybody. Due to their lack of movement, it's really difficult to mimic that type of conversation going on, but Joe has been able to do that. You can definitely see the hustle and bustle at the table going on, just like the original fresco shows, and you can imagine all the different threads of conversation going on at that table. One thing I really like is the fact that when you remove the ceiling and let the light come through, the casting of the light really gives the piece an ethereal look. It really is hard to capture such a detailed piece of art in LEGO, and I think Joe has done an admirable job. He's been able to convey the mood and characteristics of this iconic painting in LEGO form, and I'd love to see more examples of this style of art being done in LEGO. If you want to check out more of Joe's work, you can follow the link in the comment below to his Flickr account, where he has some really interesting other builds, like a ferry boat, a beautifully done sushi in LEGO, and a Japanese style painting. He's doing some really innovative things with bricks, and I would suggest if you like this to go check it out. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share so that others can enjoy it. We have a Patreon account if you wish to support us that way. Don't forget about our Play Well Bricks 1000 contest, and you can find the details in the discussion on our YouTube channel. Thanks so much. Have a fantastic day. Keep dreaming of bricks. Bye-bye.